Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert background image third page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we click the first page and press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then zoom out the document and we can see here the 3 page. Go to the third page and click Insert menu, then click Shapes drop down menu, then choose Rectangle. Then draw the rectangle fit to the page. Then resize the rectangle. Then click the rectangle and go to the Shape Format menu. Click Shape Fill option, then choose Picture. Then import picture from our file. Now we can see here insert this background image on third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.